Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to verify identity on Cash App. Firstly, before starting verification, make sure you've completed these basic steps. Linked a bank account and added some funds to your Cash App balance. Now, open Cash App on your phone. Tap the banking tab on the home screen, then scroll down and tap on Bitcoin. Inside the Bitcoin section, tap on Deposit Bitcoin. Cash App will now ask for personal details like your full legal name, date of birth, and email address. You'll now be prompted to verify your identity. Take a clear photo of a valid ID and make sure the image is well lit, in focus, and not cropped. Cash App will now ask you to take a selfie in a well-lit area. Ensure there are no shadows on your face and don't wear hats, sunglasses, or anything that may obscure the feature. Now, after submitting your documents and selfie, the app will show you verification status as pending. Most users are verified within a few hours, but it can take up to 48 hours. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.